Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to make a drawing with the help of COVID. So I feel that COVID is a pandemic nowadays. So I feel that I should give a good salute to those people who give best help in a COVID. So I am giving a small salute to these peoples. So here I am using my word COVID and drawing a small piece of art. First of all, I am giving a big salute to the cleaner peoples. So here I'm going to make it a circle for the cleaner staff, those who help out in the cleaning the stuff and make us healthy. A clinical staff. One more thanks to the nurse which is going to help at every time. A wonderful help of the doctor. Some pharmaceutical companies, those who given a medicine to us. So big salute to those peoples. I want to thank those people's wonderful chef, our chef of the house, our mothers, wives, those who give a nutrition food. So wonderful thank you to those peoples who given a wonderful perfect food. Now I am going to fill a color inside. I'm using my brush marker pens. And lastly, a big thank you to those peoples